Hey, so today I'll be reviewing the Jeaver cat ear headset. It's not really a headset as much as it's just headphones. They are over-the-ear cat ear headphone with light-up ears. So this package just came in the mail today, and it literally took a week to get here. Usually the stuff I buy takes about a month or so because I'm buying from China, but in this case, the Chinese seller and the US sellers were roughly the same price, so you might as well just go with the US seller. It costs $9.60, and the one I ordered is the green and black headset. They come in a bunch of different colors. Green and black, blue and black, white and blue, pink and blue, and a few others. Alright, so let's go ahead and open it. These rips here are from me taking it out of my mailbox. So this is what the packaging looks like. Not a lot of detail. Not a lot of detail. It doesn't even say the brand or model. It shows white, black, other. In this case, I'm assuming that means green. There's nothing on this side. This shows you how to replace the battery. Yes, this is non-rechargeable. It's not USB. It's just regular headphones. And then this side just talks about how to replace the battery and how to make it light up. In the back of the ears, I believe each one has a cell battery that you unscrew, and then each one has a button. I'm not sure if it's each one, but there's a button in the back that you press to make it turn on, off, or flash. And it should already come with batteries inside. And then the back just has the specifications. Okay, so now to open it. Alright, so there's just one battery, and this is the 2032 3-volt lithium ion. You can get these from Dollar Tree. It comes 2 in a pack, should you need more. Right off the bat, I don't mind that it's not Bluetooth, but I hate that it's 2 individual cords like this. I wish it was just the one cord coming off of one side, because this has more potential for you to break it. The cable is said to be 1.5 meters long, which is just shy of 5 feet. So it's basically 5 feet long. The ears swivel like this. Obviously like that, in all kinds of formations, supposedly 360 degrees, but that's probably with all of these included, with all this other extra stuff taken into account. It has these cushions, which they call protein leather, whatever that means. Here are the ears. Here in the back goes one battery, and then here's the button to turn it on. So at the moment, there's no battery because it's right here. Oh, wait, there is a battery. That's interesting. So there's off, on, blink, off. And then these parts over here have this little plastic covering. It extends, I guess, a normal amount, but it doesn't fold. I mean, these go in like this, and I guess that's the folding. This is as much as it folds, but this right here does not bend. So if you happen to get these, don't try to bend here, as most modern headsets or headphones do. This one folds here, and again, this being 2 cables really irritates me. So now I'm going to show you what this looks like with the lights off. It's pretty bright. Each ear has 4 LEDs. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know if you can see that. And these are basically like a knockoff version of the more expensive ones that I believe are about $100 to $200. And those are wireless, and the ear looks a little better. The ear on the other ones are beefier. See, these ears are really thin. The other one I believe comes out like this much. And I think they're Bluetooth. And I just got done listening to them on my phone. They fit okay. I mean, it doesn't feel like they're going to break up here, as is usually the case with some of these cheap headphones. It feels moderately cheap. I mean, here in the hinges, I feel like it's going to be where it breaks first. If not that, then here, where it holds the little swivel part. And it maybe like swivels a little too much, but I guess that's only because I'm trying to show to the camera. I mean, they look nice. For $9 though, I mean, it's not until you get to the $20, $30 range that you get bulkier, better build. But I mean, if you're buying these headphones, you're usually buying them for the look, not necessarily the sound or the build. The build is okay. The sound is pretty good. I'm not a huge audiophile, but I hear nothing wrong with them. There's nothing that stands out. The bass is okay. It's like, it's typical of what you'd hear in this price range. The high notes aren't too high, where they sound like they're coming out of a metal can. And overall, for $9, if you like this sort of thing, if you like this look, then it's well worth the price. But they do feel a little fragile, and I fear that these will last maybe 6 months. 6 months of regular use, maybe a year or two, if you're really careful. And that's pretty much all I have to say about these. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching.